Welcome everybody, thank you. Today's video is another open house tour of a courtyard villa model. It's a Charlotte located here at the haciendas of Mission Hills. This is very close to Sumter Landing. This is a block and stucco home. It's 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom. I hope you enjoy the tour. Take care everybody. Welcome friends. This home does have a cement driveway. It is a Charlotte model courtyard villa. It does have a car-and-a-half garage. It is made out of block and stucco. You will see that it has many upgrades and very mature landscaping. This home does appear to be in very, very good condition. Let's walk in and take a look. The garage does have an electronic screen door as well as the garage door. So you can pull the screen door and sit in the garage if you want. Let's take a look at the front entry area. This is a Charlotte model courtyard villa that is made out of block and stucco. Very inviting entrance with a nice glass door. Let's walk in and take a look. Hello.
Hi. Thanks for stopping in. Joanie here with Realty Executives in the Villages. So this home that you're going to get to see today with Tim is a beautiful 3-2 Charlotte model tucked in Hacienda Mission Hills. So you're just minutes from Lake Sumter Landing here. And you'll see as you look through the home a lot of upgrades, a lot of finishing touches. There's going to be Portuguese porcelain tile throughout the main area. And when you get to the master bedroom, you're going to see engineered hardwood floors, crown molding throughout. There's quartz in the kitchen, quartz countertops, new stainless steel appliances. And when you get out to the garden area, you'll see the lanai is extended. There's pavers put down, a beautiful waterfall. It's like your own little oasis out there, and some real exciting touches that I'll let Tim show you.
Okay, thanks, Joanie. Yeah. And as always, if anybody's interested, they should contact you, the showing agent or the listing agent. Thank you. As I stand here in the foyer area, I will take a panoramic view. The first thing I notice is the Portuguese porcelain tile floors. It's gorgeous. That is panning off to the left. I do notice that there is a bedroom off to the left, as well as the entrance door to the garage and the laundry area. Panning off to the front of the home, or back of the home, is the kitchen with the quartz countertop. Let's take a look in the bedroom. You see the the tile floors continue throughout. You can see the crown molding continues. That texture on the ceiling is knockdown texture. This home is nice and bright, very neutral colors. This room here currently looks like it's being used as an office. Some people like that because it's right off the front entry door. Let's continue and take a right, and we will go into the laundry area. You'll see the tile floors continue in the laundry area. Does have a sink, nice white cabinets, crown molding continues. Let's take a walk out into the garage. It is a 1.5 car garage. It does look like it has painted or epoxy floors. Again, please check the specification sheet if you have any questions about this home. You can see the screen door on the garage door. This homeowner looks like he was a woodworker, has a lot of woodworking equipment in here. It does have updated mechanicals. Please refer to your specification sheet for the updated mechanicals on this home. It looks like it's a new carrier HVAC system. That is the look out into the yard. Let's take a walk back into the home. Back into the foyer area. I'll show you the kitchen next. It has beautiful cabinets, white cabinets. Looks like it has brushed stainless hardware on it. It does have quartz countertops. And it has a glass tile backsplash. The stove is electric. This home is really nice. This is a Charlotte courtyard villa. This is a very popular floor plan for the courtyard villas. It has a large U-shaped kitchen. That's what distinguishes it as a Charlotte model. Let's take a walk into the living and dining room areas. That is your dining area. Very high ceilings with knockdown texture. Again, you have the tile floors that continue throughout. This is the living area. Nice and open feeling, nice and neutral. Off to the right, you will have the guest quarters with a sliding pocket door. The guest quarters will have a bedroom and a bathroom, and they can slide that pocket door closed for privacy. You can see the tile floors continue throughout. Just to give you perspective, that looks like a queen size bed, and you do see there is plenty of room on either side of that bed. Very high ceilings, very open, very spacious. This is a very unique home. It is block and stucco, and it is located in a very unique neighborhood. The Haciendas at Mission Hills is a little bit north of Sumter Landing. I would guess that it would be about a 10-minute or less golf cart ride from here to Sumter Landing. This is close to Morse Boulevard. Let's take a walk into the guest bathroom. You will see beautiful hard surface countertops, single bowl sink, really upgraded fixtures in this home. Really nice, neutral. Crown molding continues, as well as the ceramic tile. That does have a tub with a surround. It looks like it's fiberglass or a plastic surround. Let's continue back into the living room area. The dining room does have a sliding glass patio door out to the patio. I will show you that a little bit later. This home shows very nicely, very meticulously kept. It's in awesome condition. You will see the extended lanai. I'll give you a panoramic view. That is the master bedroom. The panoramic view of the kitchen area as well. Let's go back into the master bedroom. Beautiful floors. That is a king size bed to give you perspective of the size of this room. It has adequate, lots of room on each side of that bed. Very high tray ceilings with awesome woodwork up there. Panning around. It does have a walk-in closet and a master bathroom. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. You do see the wood floors continuing into the master closet. Does have storage shelves. You see the ceramic or the porcelain tile floor continues into the bathroom with a solid surface countertop, single bowl sink. Very nice, very neutral. Does have a shower. with glass doors. The shower does appear to be fiberglass or plastic. Very clean home. The master bedroom does have a sliding glass door out to the patio, or to the lanai. Let's take a walk out to the lanai. This lanai is one of the nicest lanais I've seen. It has brick paver floor. Beautifully decorated. It has an awesome water feature. This is an extended lanai. It is really large. It's a really large lanai. Very, very nice. Those are electronic louvers that you can open and close to let sunlight in, or you can close them to have shade. I will include a short video clip of that shade, the roof shade, opening or closing. This is a very nice lanai. It is really large. Lots of nice, comfortable living features here. You feel very private, very secluded feeling here. That is your panoramic view off into the living area. Let's take a walk and I'll give you a video of the side yard of this home. This is a pan off to the right. Again, this is a courtyard villa neighborhood. It will have privacy fences. And that is your side yard of this home. Beautiful neighborhood, very mature landscaping. We'll take a walk, start walking outside the home. Give you another panoramic view. I will video the specification sheet so you have an idea of the size and dimensions of the rooms. You can see this home has very high ceilings, very neutral. Let's take a video of the specification sheet, give you the particulars. As always, please contact the showing agent, Joanie, or the listing agent. I will include the information. This home is list priced at $540,000. It was built in the year 2011. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Charlotte model courtyard villa. Very comfortable home. It is located in a very exclusive community known as the Haciendas of Mission Hills. Very near Sumter Landing. There are your dimensions of your rooms. If you have any questions, please contact the showing agent, Joanie, or the listing agent. I do appreciate it. I will now take a walk out to the outside of the home. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street view. As always, thank you for joining my home showing tour. Here we exit the home. Very mature landscaping. This is what the home looks like in the front. And I will walk out to the street and give you a panoramic view of the street. This is a courtyard villa neighborhood. You will have your privacy here. This is an exclusive neighborhood as well. So this is a panoramic view to the left. This is a panoramic view to the right. And this is the home. Beautiful home, beautiful location. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thanks for joining, everybody. This open house tour of a Charlotte model courtyard villa located here at the Haciendas of Mission Hills. Please contact the listing agent or the showing agent if you want more information. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Take care, everybody.